Here's something crazy. The voice you hear every day isn't the one everyone else hears. When you speak, sound travels in two ways, through the air and through your skull bones. Those bones make your voice sound deeper and warmer to you. Microphones, however, only capture the sound from the air. That's why your recorded voice sounds higher and unfamiliar. Everyone else hears this version every day. So when your voice feels strange, remember, it's just the real version of you. Mind blown, right? Follow All in Bits for more curious facts.